Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck.
It's your boy Angel here.
And you already know we back with the sneaker reviews.
Facts.
If you know anything about the resale market, you know about this man right here.
Yeah.
He pretty much gets his hands on anything. If I want something I can't get my hands on it, this is the man I call right here, man. I ain't gonna even lie. This is the man I call right here, man.
Oh, man.
If you from New York City, you know about this man. Trust me.
How you doing, man?
But you already know, man. Before we get into the shoe we're about to review, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. Let them know your Instagram.
It's A1_Superman.
Yeah.
Right here on Instagram.
I know y'all tired of us talking. Let's get to the shoe. Alright guys, here you go. We got the Lebron 16 Low Safari Atmos right here, man.
Right here. This is this is his first low top debuting for the new 16 line. And he collabed with Atmos to bring out a Safari colorway, which is pretty dope. I'm not gonna front. I thought this was like his regular high, but
right, yeah, I definitely thought that. Why is it a low? I was gonna ask you why is it a low?
I don't even know why they call it a low, because if you compare it to his regular 16,
it's the same size.
They look
same
almost
height.
the same thing. I'm not gonna lie, except for the zipper part.
Yeah, the zipper, is the zipper a part of like the low situation that they got going on?
I think so, because I believe this is the first wave of the 16 lows.
Okay.
So I think, every other one may come with the zipper as well.
Yeah, man, like this kind of looks exactly like a Safari Atmos.
Facts.
Air Max 1 right here, man.
Yeah, it got the same print as
print.
the Safari Air Maxes.
Checking the back right here.
You know what I mean? The two-tone color of orange and the green.
Got the green
which is pretty dope, you know what I mean?
Black laces, man, pretty much, man.
Facts, gun bottom.
Yeah, like I mentioned before, man, like if you want to make a shoe pop, just throw a gun bottom on it, trust me. Can't go wrong.
Yeah. Classic.
Can't go wrong.
Such a classic
cheat
thing.
code. It's a cheat code.
Like from the black Air Force Ones.
Right. You could just throw a gun bottom
with
on
the
anything.
the black top and the gun bottom sole.
Right.
Can never go wrong with that. Never.
Yeah, man. Like these, I'm not gonna complain, man. These are dope, man.
They even got that same print.
Yeah, it got the same print on the side of the toe box. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Definitely. I ain't gonna fry. First when I see them, I ain't like them because I be mad at Nike. Like I feel like classics should just stay classics. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Like you shouldn't be throwing them on new shoes and this, that, and the third, man. But this kind of came out kind of clean. It may be just the colors or whatever, but kind of clean. It's not as bad as I thought it was.
I feel
not by a long shot, man.
I feel like like you said, they should keep classics.
Definitely.
But they always gotta be in the future. Nike is hella innovative, so they're always trying to bring something new, but also hit you with a little nostalgic too.
Right. So, definitely, man. Yeah, man. Nike, they doing what they doing, man. They
can't go wrong with it. Actually, have you tried on his 16 line?
No.
16s are comfortable. 16. I give them that.
The 15s were comfortable.
Okay.
So I can imagine how the 16s.
Yeah, 16s
were super comfortable.
Definitely, I can see LeBron definitely doing his thing with this shoe, and on the court, but the comfort is really on point. You can't go wrong with the comfort on these shoes.
The only bad thing about the LeBron 16 Low, if he doesn't start wearing them now, we're not gonna see them because they're not making the playoffs. Sorry guys, you guys are not making the playoffs.
Oh man, the way they've been playing lately,
it's a wrap.
I'm not surprised, bro.
Wrap him up.
Yeah, man,
done.
He
looking bad out here. And he hasn't. I haven't seen him wear these yet. Like how before the game they have the cameras out there. I haven't seen him pull them out or anything like that. So.
I think there is a picture of him wearing it. I don't think it's on the court.
Like it's like him going into the stadium.
You know how they have the shout out to the NBA this year.
Yeah, for letting them wear whatever.
Oh my God, it is bringing back the love of basketball sneakers.
PJ Tucker been doing it for a while, man. PJ Tucker.
PJ's on another level.
He's on another level.
This shit.
He was doing it a little bit last year.
Yeah, he was doing it. Yeah.
He's on another level, man. Shout out to PJ Tucker.
Yeah, you would think it's All-Star Weekend every day with PJ Tucker.
He just got a genuine love for sneakers.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? For sneakers.
I would love to interview him.
Yeah, man. Woo.
Oh, man.
That's one of my girl interviews. Him and Wale. Those are two dudes I would like to talk to. Clark Kent, I would like to talk to. Trinidad James, I would like to talk to. You know what I'm saying? Right?
Yeah, that's
those dudes are like real sneaker dudes, man. That I really respect, man, because a lot of people like sneakers are like really like in now, like you know everybody do hype things, you know what I'm saying? But these dudes been around and they've been wearing it. It's so real. I seen Trinidad James in Miami one time. Seen him like Johnny had threw it.
Okay.
He did something out there, whatever. We was out there, and Trinidad James was there. Like he was at the joint. I've never said nothing to a celebrity in my life. I walked up to him. I don't know what I had heat on too.
Okay.
He had heat on.
What did he have on?
I can't remember, man. I can't remember so long ago. I can't remember. He had heat on. I walked up on him and was like, I respect your sneaker collection. Your shit is up, bro. Your shit is up. He was like, I respect. I see what you doing. I see you. It was mutual respect. Kept it pushing, man. But like, yo, like his music may not be the best, man. But when it comes down to like him and sneaker culture and him pushing the culture forward, man. Shout out to him, man. Shout out to Full Size Run, the show he got on Complex and everything, man.
Dope.
Pretty dope show, man. If you know, bring me on there. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to
bring me on there, Trinidad
Make
James. You know, I would definitely be on there. But there's a couple of things that this shoe came with. You know what I'm saying? We got a bag here that it came with also. Got the Nike bag right here.
The Safari shoulder
print,
bag, you know what I mean?
Everybody's
which
doing
is pretty dope. You know
pretty dope for Nike to do that,
you know
man.
A lot of people rocking shoulder bags
definitely,
now.
right? Yeah, pretty dope for Nike to take advantage of something that's in right now. But I know y'all want to see something. Y'all want to see the real inspiration for this shoe. So here you go, y'all.
The Air Max
1 Safari.
Now, I mean, the inspiration. You
see the comparisons.
Almost identical.
The only difference is the gum bottom.
Yeah, definitely.
You know what I'm saying? You got the gum bottom here, then you have the gum bottom here. This is all clear. So, you know what I'm saying? But pretty much everything the same. Everything the same, pretty much.
But I believe the original. This is the retro one.
Yeah, this is the retro.
I believe the original had the gum bottom. I believe. I'm not 1,000% sure, but I believe the original.
It probably did. You know, we can definitely look that up. Google that. But definitely, man, like if they were going exactly with this, man. They did a great job. Great job. The only difference in the back, you got the brown back panel. That's the only difference. But other than that, man, pretty much the same. Clear airbag. Yeah. Same difference, man. You guys, if you want to see the inspiration for it, there you go, man. But let us know what you guys think about this shoe, man. Yeah. But we're going to have to rate this shoe. Out of 5 pennies. We got the rating system on. Your thoughts. Out of 5 pennies, man, you could do half pennies. You could do full pennies. What do you rate this shoe? Like, what do you think this shoe is?
Out of 5?
Out of 5 pennies, man. What do you give this shoe? You can give your rating, and then I'll give my rating after yours.
I give it a solid 4.
Solid 4. I like that rating, man. And I'm gonna be a little more harsh on this shoe because I don't like the zipper coming up the middle. I don't understand that. Like, why is that there? It's a basketball shoe. It makes no sense to me. But I'm gonna go 3.5. Okay. I'm gonna go 3.5. Okay. You know what I'm saying? You went for,
respect that.
You know what I'm saying? 3.5 can't go wrong. I like the LeBron 16. I did a unboxing of another LeBron 16 on the channel. I'll put a link up above. You guys can check that out. Okay. But LeBron's been killing it all year. He got the LeBron. He got the retro 16s. LeBrons coming out, man. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Going back, and then giving the new back. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? They're killing the game right now with this, man. Definitely killing the game, man. But let us know what you guys think. If you guys think, the rating we gave is too low, leave in the comments below. If y'all think it's too high, leave it in the comments below, man. And holler at us. If y'all want us to do more collaboration, if y'all want to see Angel on the channel more, leave it in the comments, man. We can make it happen, man. Put the pressure on them, man. Put the pressure on them. With that being said, we keeping it 100, not a penny less. Peace.